Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw Disney Stitch, the purple chaotic little monster with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of Stitch's head, big nose, eyes, wrinkles and mouth. And here are his giant ears. He's so cute. Stitch looks like a mix between a French bulldog and a koala. Now for arms and paws. That's the outline done. On to painting this purple chaotic little monster. Firstly, his nose. I am using a dark blue color. Now for his eye, I am using a light blue color. Do you know that Stitch has superpowers? He is indestructible and has super strength. He is also super duper smart, smarter than a computer. Now for Stitch's mouth and chest area. Here is the dark blue color again. I will paint the outside of Stitch's ears and the rest of the face. His arms and hands too. Now I am using a purple color for the inside of his giant ears. Here is my black marker to go over the outline again. And that's it. I'm all finished. I wonder what adventures Lilo and Naughty Stitch will get up to today. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.